Hello friends, this is Rishi Vishwakarma, founder of Design Alchemy. We are here to show you our 2 BHK flat, which we have just did the whole interior. We just want to give you a small look. It's a Vasmani Vista 1 in Patel Nagar, Kandivali. So as you come to the safety door, आपको पहले से पता है कि हार्ट ऑफ द घर होता है आपका. इसी से आपका पूरा डिजाइन क्लियर होता है कि कैसा हमने काम किया क्या नहीं किया. So here what we have did, we have did PU. So we were not having much space to, give the shoe rack and other stuff. So we have created a small shoe rack here with the lock, and we have created a panel with the, some random stuff. And if you see here, this is the safety door what we have created. And this safety door हमने 35 mm का SDM को हमने CNC कनेक्ट करके ये पैटर्न क्रिएट किया है. And इसके ऊपर हमने PU किया हुआ कलर PU. So if you see, we have used the black jammy. The same design हमने अंदर वाले डोर पे भी किया है. आप ध्यान से देखेंगे इसकी डिटेलिंग. ये डिटेलिंग हमें करने में, इसको फिनिश ये लुक देने में हमें 2 महीना, 1 से 1.5 महीना लग जाता है. For this kind of a look, you need to have create this. And we have given a one more small detail here. We have given a light here on the wall. So इसका जो इफेक्ट है जो इस डोर के ऊपर पड़ता है वो काफी अमेजिंग पड़ता है. बाहर से भी कोई भी देखे तो उसको काफी अट्रैक्टिव लगे. Come inside, I will show you more things. हमने एंट्रेंस पे we have given a small झूमर for आपका foyer area थोड़ा अच्छा लुक देने के लिए. If you come inside, we have given a small storage here for the key holder. So if you see, we have created a key holder. Coming inside, I want to show you this living area. So north east में हमने मंदिर रखा हुआ है. मंदिर एक से ये भी पूरा PU में ही है. PU और VDR हमने कॉम्बिनेशन लिया है लिविंग एरिया में. So you can see this is a mandir design what we have created. It goes inside the doors. So you get enough space for the puja. We have given a drawer. With that we have given a tray for all the diya baati जो भी आपको करना है यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. So this is the mandir design we have created. This is the crockery unit. This is the best part of the crockery unit. We have created this fluted design. With that, we have created this design in the CNC cutting at the same time. So this is the crockery unit area. This all are the soft close. I like this design. The color. If you talk about this TV unit panel, this is something unique we have tried to do. ये थोड़ा हमने हटके किया color combination अगर आप देखेंगे. So हमने dark blue लिया for the panel with the fluted. And the side में आपके the light and वीनियर देखेंगे तो हमने इसे बहुत लाइट ही रखा है. हमने ज़्यादा डार्क वीनियर देने की कोशिश नहीं की है. फिर coming to this side for the sofa panel. So we have taken side rafters and this is the best thing what I like for this home. So ये हमने 35 mm के SDF में हमने CNC कटिंग किया है. And इसे हमें एक लुक देने के लिए इसे हमें प्लेस करके फिर इसके ऊपर भी हमने PU किया. So there's an attached kitchen. So we have given a sliding door here to divide living and kitchen area. So if you come to the kitchen area, this is a small kitchen, but still we have tried to give all the look what the client required. So we have given a drawer. This is a tandem. This is a soft close. So everything is a soft close, and this is all kitchen is made on site. This is not a modular kitchen, guys. This is semi-modular, but we give everything as a modular. So if you see, this is a loft. This is a pull out, and if you come here, so we have given a profile shutter, and this is all soft close. So we try to maintain the quality. At the same time, you feel like this is modular. So coming to the first bedroom. We'll come to the first bedroom. I'll show you the first master bedroom design. So this is the master bedroom we have created. Okay, so we have tried to हमने काफी मिनिमल रखा है इस डिजाइन को. हमने बहुत ज़्यादा कलर्स यूज किए हैं, but हमने बहुत डार्क कलर यूज नहीं किए. So this is the TV panel. The distance between the bed and the panel was less, so we have just created panel, not the runner. But still, we try to maintain the finish. So if you see the finish, it looks like a PU, but this is not a PU. This is a laminate, guys. There is a TV study table we have provided with the storage. We try to give the slick handles. And if you come this side, so we have created a molding. This is a molding. This is MDF molding painted by the color. We have taken a marble finish wall lights. So ये काफी अच्छा look देता है. So I want to show you one more thing. This is something new I have tried here. So this is the wardrobe is laminate finish. So we have taken a पहले जूट वाले फिनिश आते जो हम ग्लास के अंदर सैंडविच करते थे. क्लाइंट को थोड़ा उससे प्राइवेसी एंड सेफ्टी का उनको कंसर्न था. So what we have did, if you see this finish, this is a jute finish. हमने लैमिनेट के साथ में इसे प्लेस किया हुआ है with the kind of a European. So you can see here, this is the wardrobe with the storage, normal storage we have given here. So that's all for this bedroom. I will show you the second. So as we are done with the master bedroom, I want to show you the final bedroom. You can see the parents' bedroom here. So we want to show you something. This is the something we have created the wardrobe. This is storage for the clothes. Come inside. I will show you a few more things. So this small bedroom हमने इसे बहुत minimal रखा है, but again at the same time client का requirement थोड़ा था storage के लिए. So we have created a storage here. This is a small storage. With that we have given a niche. ये ज़्यादा bulky ना लगे इसलिए हमने ऊपर profile shutter use किया है. Again this is a soft close. And उनका एक requirement था उन्हें dressing unit चाहिए था. So अब इतने छोटे रूम में dressing unit बिठाना काफी मुश्किल होता है, तो हमने यहाँ पे एक mirror storage दे दिया हमने. So जो ऐसे होता है. So there is a shelf which their requirement भी पूरा हो जा रहा है यहाँ पे. And again with the same we have given a side table. Okay, so client का यहाँ पे एक और requirement था. उन्हें they wanted something like a wardrobe. So you can see we have given this wardrobe design. And उसके साथ में so they are the couple. So सर का concern था कि अगर हमारे पास side table है तो यहाँ अगर किसी को कुछ रखना है तो क्या कर सकता है. So उसके साथ में हमने एक छोटा सा hack दिया है. So we have created a this is foldable thing. So नाइट के टाइम पे you can use as a side table. And जब आपको wardrobe use करना है तो आप इसे बंद भी कर सकते हैं. And this is very easy to access. So this is how we have created a small hack here. Thank you for watching our video and do like, subscribe and share with your friends.